This week, we're going way back. Richmond became the capital of Virginia in 1780, but it wasn't until 1798 that the 12 acres of land surrounding the Capitol building became officially designated as a public square. The current governor's mansion was constructed on the site between 1811 and 1813, but the actual grounds didn't experience significant change until 1816, when French architect Maximilien Godefroy implemented the site's first landscaping plan. He transformed the hilly, rugged space into a formal public square, following the style of courtly gardens in 18th century France that featured tiered grassy terraces, geometrically arranged walkways, public fountains, and ornamental trees. Then in 1818, French émigré artist Paul Alexis Sabbaton was commissioned to create a large cast iron fence around the perimeter of the 12-acre square. Cast in New York, it was one of the longest fences in America and at the time considered a major technical feat. And it still survives today. Mostly. This is a cast iron fragment from the top of a fence post, designed to look like a bundle of Roman spears, although it's missing a couple spear tips on the back. Because Richmond's political leaders so often compared Richmond to ancient Rome, Sabbaton designed his fence with pickets shaped like individual Roman spears, interspersed with posts shaped like fasces, or bundles of spears, which were a Roman symbol of government authority. This artistic nod to ancient Rome was meant to reinforce that Capitol Square was the seat of Virginia's governmental power. Of course, after 200 years, parts of the fence have been lost or damaged. Luckily, Richmond Iron can cast accurate reproductions to replace damaged pieces like this or to create extensions as the square changes over time. Head down to Capitol Square to check out the fence for yourself, and then come visit us at the Valentine Museum to connect to even more Richmond history. And keep an eye out for videos on great objects in our collection coming soon.